Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and let me show you how to enable here developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen right here, then find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down and choose here About Phone. Afterwards, let's choose here the software information and tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, developer mode has been turned on. You can now go back twice, and here let's choose the developer options. It's located under About Phone, and now you can use the following developer features. For example, you can enable USB debugging, tap OK to do it. You can use the night mode settings. You can also scroll down to enable bug report shortcut, select mock location app, and use other developer stuff. So basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.